everybody, good afternoon. In today's video we're going to work on getting this floor cleaned up. First thing I'm going to do is get the seal off, or sill I guess you should say. Get it off, then we're going to start cleaning this all back and get it under rust inhibitor probably tonight, and then later on, probably tomorrow, I'll probably get it under primer just so that rust inhibitor dries. But I'm sure I'll find some secrets in here. Yeah, I got a little hole right here I gotta patch up. I seen that earlier the other day, but yeah, I'm sure I'll find some secrets. But I'll bring you back whenever I get some stuff finished. Hey, welcome back guys. I got the sill off. It turned out pretty good. It's quite rusty in there, which I expected, but this is all pretty solid still. I did find me a little bit of rust up underneath the jack point, but I'm not going to use the jack points anyway, so I'm not even going to put that booger back in there. I'm just going to repair this. But yeah, I got me a pretty nasty little cut right there, so I'm going to give that a repair, then clean this thing up. I'll bring you back whenever I get this thing fiddled in here. Okay guys, we're back. I got this thing tacked in. It's not as pretty as it was the first time, and I'll tell you why. It's because I actually had a little bit of an emergency, and there was a rat nest down inside the tunnel, and when I went to weld this thing, it caught fire, so I had to rip into this thing real quick and get that rat nest out of there before everything just went to pieces. But I got most of it out, so I don't think I'm gonna have the issue anymore. But yeah, let's get this thing welded in. There you go, one patch panel. Is it nice? Not really. I got a little wad of weld right here because a big old hole formed right there, so I just had to kind of work it up. But overall, it's not bad. Most of it's gonna be hidden with the seal anyway. Well, all of it's gonna be hidden with the seal, I think. So yeah, it's not bad. But next thing we're gonna do is start cleaning up this floor. Bring it back when I get to a point where I can stop. Okay guys, we're back. I got the firewall cleaned up and primed. I've got the tunnel cleaned up and primed. The tunnel turned out real good. I got one little hole here that I gotta patch up where my rotisserie actually ripped it. But I think I'm going to do that from the top. But yeah, it turned out real well. I am not unpleased with it at all. So, cleaned all that out. Got all that nasty rubber coating out of there. But next thing we're going to do is get this all cleaned back and primered. I've already started here a little bit, but yeah, get this all cleaned back and rust inhibited and primered. But I'll bring it back when I get that finished. Okay guys, we're back. I got all this cleaned up as good as I could. Now here's the interesting thing. If you look down here, this is where actual some of the rubber coating was still there. I missed a spot right there. I need to grab that. But if you go up here, there wasn't no rubber coating up here. So you see all this surface rust. As like everything with this car, for some reason this right-hand side was in worse shape than the left-hand side. I'm assuming it's where she had it stored. I got a couple little repairs to do right here still that I didn't see the other day. That's good. I got a hole here that needs to be patched. So I'll cut it out, patch it. I've got a hole here that I could probably plug. Then I got 3 holes right there that I need to patch up. But yeah, everything else is good. I'm not going to worry about that until I get the back panel off here. The back, what do you call it? Subframe board? Heel board? Yeah, that's what it's called. A little dent right there, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But yeah, looks pretty good. I'll bring you back possibly whenever I get some of this welding done. Alrighty guys, we're back. Got that repaired. We come over here. I got that little hole there. Woo, that was still hot. I just got finished grinding it. Got that little hole there repaired. That turned out really good. There was a hole right there that I repaired, and then 3 little holes right there I repaired. Next thing on the agenda, rust reform this thing. Then I'm probably gonna go to lunch and primer it. And then when I get back, I'll primer it, and then we'll be done with this floor. But this is gonna be the last of this video. I'll do the rest of it off camera. Y'all have a good day.